So let's dive into the new TikTok rules for 2025, specifically about going live. If you're looking to engage with your audience in real time, you need to be aware of these changes. First off, you'll need to have an account that's at least 7 days old before you can even think about going live. This isn't just a random rule. It's designed to ensure that users are committed and serious about their content. Now, once you hit that 7 day mark, you're not quite done yet. You'll need to wait an additional 3 days before unlocking all the live features. So that's a total of 10 days before you can fully utilize the live function. It's a bit of a waiting game, but it's all about building a solid community and ensuring that the content creators are genuinely invested in their accounts. But here's the kicker. To access all the live features, you also need to be going live for a minimum of 30 minutes each day. Yes, you heard that right. Consistency is key. This requirement encourages creators to engage with their audience regularly and build a loyal following. It's not just about going live. It's about creating meaningful interactions and keeping your viewers entertained. Think about it. Going live for 30 minutes every day gives you the chance to showcase your personality, share your passions, and connect with your audience on a deeper level. Whether you're doing Q&As, sharing tips, or just chatting about your day, this time allows you to foster a community that feels connected to you. So, if you're planning to go live on TikTok in 2025, remember to mark your calendar. Get your account set up and start creating content that resonates with your audience. Embrace the waiting period as an opportunity to refine your content strategy and build anticipation. When the time comes, you'll be ready to hit that live button with confidence and engage with your followers like never before. In the end, these rules are all about enhancing the TikTok experience for both creators and viewers. So, get ready to adapt, stay consistent, and make the most out of your live sessions. Your audience is waiting.